And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat, he's fun, and he makes cool stuff. And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat, he's fun, and he makes cool stuff.
Hey gang, it's Poppy's Workshop, and we're in the shop. My powered single point threading project is temporarily on pause. I'm trying to decide whether to go forth with the way I started on it, or if maybe I should buy a reversible motor speed controller from Shearline. If they will sell me one, they might not want to sell me one. Anyway, for right now, I'm starting on a tiny little thing that came up as it needed to be done. You see the two brass nuts. They're crazied, or shall I say, insane adhesived. Nutty Putty? No, that's someone else's brand name. Insane adhesive. That way, since no one else has ever said it, I've said it first. Anyone else says it, you're violating my copyright. Money, money. Gimme, gimme. Play their game back at them. Yeah. Okay, I got this brass rod, 3/8 24, and these brass nuts. I don't know what size they are, but they seem to go on the 3/8 24 screw. So, gee, 3/8 24 NF. Anyway, these came from McMaster. Where did I put the ball bearing? I just had the ball bearing right here. Ah, here it is. Ah. One quick moment. Oh, here's a couple of things I bought. This goes in the tailstock of my lathe, and my 3-jaw chuck screws onto it. Both of them will do it. Recent acquisition. Yeah, I'll put it there. That's it. And now this is the Shearline adjustable die holder. With this and this ball bearing, the little adapter I'm going to make to go in here to hold the ball bearing. Turn a 1/4 inch diameter section here. Push it into the ball bearing. Cut this off for the right length so that this or this will thread on here. The reason I'm doing this is the last 2 times I was out here, I was having a problem with a shaft. I couldn't pop a center in. I couldn't put the steady rest on. I couldn't grip real good. I needed to be able to put this here in the tailstock, right? Grip the end of the shaft here. This rotates with this. I saw Curtis at Cutting Edge Engineering in Australia. I'm not exactly sure what part of Australia he's in, but he's in Australia. He manufactured three jaw and four jaw. I mean, large. We're talking big. We're talking big chucks. You know, they puts on the tailstock of his lathe and they spin, holding this end of what he's working on. You know, till he can get a steady rest band cut in it or whatever. That I saw him doing it and I said, that is the solution to my problem. I've been wanting for years one of them armature chucks. It's a drill chuck, but it's got 3 bronze fingers. And the really elaborate ones, they're concaved so that they're really nice and smooth on the end of the armature when you turn down the commutator. Yes! Okay, thank you. I'll be in a minute. My beverage. Yeah, my beverage. My beverage assistant is here. I'm going to set this here a minute. I'm going to go in and I'll be... Yeah, gang. It's still in the shop, and this is Poppy's Workshop. Hey, I just came back in. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. There, I take my Tommy bars. Oh, whoa. No. That's not good. Okay. Okay. How my threaded brass rod get Peyronie's disease? Running nice and clean now. Okay. Yeah, okay. Wait a minute. The exact one I'm looking for is over here, along with this one. Diamond saw got from Micro Mart. Project coming up for that too. Okay. And where's the brush? Ah, here's the brush. This phosphor bronze swarf here is so pretty. It still looks like 14 karat gold. Hey, crank this baby in. What are you? I don't know who keeps on turning that damn camera. Okay, and I'll use this one. I know it's here. I just had it in my hand. Here we are. Okay, you see this? The tailstock spindle of the shear line, at least when I bought this, didn't have a tang slot. So I drilled, I banged this here good and snug, and I drilled a hole all the way through so that it in effect puts a tang on my tailstock spindle. And now pop my spinning center in place. This may present a problem. Just. Okay. Just enough is still enough. Right? And it's spinning under its own power. Yeah. Where'd that ball bearing go? I know you're in here. There you are. I have to go get a measuring tool. Right back. Hey gang, yeah. Poppy, back. Had to go in and get some measuring tooling. Okay. Now I want to go 300 thousandths along here. Definitely a shaky procedure here. The okay. Couple of 3 spring passes just to make sure it's nice and smooth. Guess I'm gonna see if I can get a measurement on this baby. Three 08.5. Okay. So that means zero out my. Oh, that would not be good. I nearly knocked over my beverage. Sent my beverage assistant down to Parkview to get it. Okay, 10. That should bring me a little under 300, right? Oh, 298. I'm good. I'm good. Okay, now I'm at 298. $288. A little bit more. There. Okay. So that should be 288, right? 288. $275, $287. Oh, the fell off. 287. There. Should bring me down to like neighborhood of 275. Yep. Now I've got to change the angle of this tool just a tiny bit. That's better. I was touching my spin center, which ain't good. You know, just not good at all. Okay. And since I'm going to do this right, what the heck? This is a YouTube project video. I'm going to go get the power supply for my power feed. It'll just take a minute. Okay. Now I wanted. Okay. Hey gang, Poppy here. Guess you can see me. I went in, I got the power supply from my power feed. It was inside for engineering purposes. And you gotta take that a little bit further. Okay, that is deep enough. Cleanup pass. Then I'm gonna measure it. Okay. Here, Mikey. Bite on this, Mikey. 276.8. 277. Okay. Two, 4, 6. Come on. Engage. Hey. Put a mic on here. $270. 1, 2, 3. 273. Yeah, okay. Okay. Zero this. One, two, three, 4, 5. Okay, I'm looking for 250. And I got 72, 60. 70, 64, 66, 67, 68, 269. Hey. Mm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I'm sneaking up on this size. I don't want to machine this more than once. You understand me? Only once. Two 262.6. 262.6, yeah. One, two, three, four. Another 5. Some of you may be wondering about this hand wheel here and this collar. This is the Shearline oversized metric hand wheel. 100 graduations going around it. Now, you put this 100 graduation dial on an inch Shearline lathe, which usually has a 50 division dial, you've automatically upgraded it from calibrated for the radius to calibrated for the diameter. And if you get persnickety about exact size and all that, might be important. What we got here? Whoa! 259. One, two, three, 4. Uh, hey, 253. I'd say like 8. That's where it gets and shiggles. It almost wants to start. This may be it. This may be the cut. I mean, I can see it taking minuscule cut. Yeah. Now, whoo, 251. I'm beginning to think I might actually know what the freak I'm doing here. Ah, 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 ah. Yeah, it wants to go on. Now let's look here. Nope, too big. No, wait a minute. Wait a minute. There we go. That's how I'll do it. Well, stay put, you.
He's not going to do what I think he's going to do, is he?
Yes, he is. Get away from me, bug. You bother me. Okay. No. But it started. So. Excuse. Please. Hey, now. Close this door. The sunlight's washing me out. Yeah, that's better. Now you're not all washed. Yeah. Hey, now, last time I was out here using a parting tool, I used this trick. You see here's a little neodymium magnet holding it in place, level with here, and perpendicular to it. You want to know if your parting blade is perpendicular? Take your fishtail. You can chop off the other point or not as you choose. But sometimes I can get a bit fiddly. Hey. Anyway, I showed that trick. And it's just nothing wants to cooperate today. That's good. There we are. Oh, that hurts. Okay, right there. There we go. Now, it was right here. I just had my eyes on it. Wasn't what I wanted at the time, but I had my eyes on it. So, there. That should be a chamfer. Okay, I'm getting near the end of this plunge. That's an illustration of why I don't like pinionless three-jaw chucks. They don't have the pinions to help hold them shut, which at times can really suck. Hey, you go in, so dig out a little ugly here, and I'm going to need something to put the force on that center race instead of no, that's not big enough. And I'm using my 4-inch Yeah, I better knock this nub off it before I try and press it in place. That's that. And yeah. Oh! I get my cheap Chinese 4-inch drill press vise. Hey, perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Ah. Gotta. Okay. Now, since the ball bearing are on there, I gotta make the adapter to hold in here. And that, my friends, will be our next video in the shop. Where are you? Oh, there you are. Okay, next time in the shop, I make the adapter. So this goes in here and sits nice and concentric-y like. Anyway, as for now, good night from California. Stay safe. Wear a mask. Get inoculated. And if anyone ain't wearing a mask comes near you, beat him down to the ground with your walking stick. When the police or the sheriff come, tell them, attempted murder. I didn't kill him. He's still breathing, but he tried to kill me. Make it stick. It's your life. Don't let some stupid little virus get you.